Check this out, guys. It's April. It's April. And it's snowing. Why? Why does it have to be snowy? Those lights were so hard to see when they were red. How the heck do we know? I want it to melt. I'll carry you wherever we go, so you won't have to wear snow. Alright, second day in April that you guys will have to wear snow pants, okay? You gotta wear snow pants again. Okay, I think tomorrow it'll probably be melted off. You're gonna wear snow boots, yes, but no snow pants. Snow pants, where?
I wanna wear my green jacket.
Where did I put your snow pants? Oh, right here. Here, take off your shoes.
Okay.
I need you to stand right here.
Okay.
Snow pants. These bulky things.
These bulky
I bet they make you hot in the classroom. Do they make you hot in the classroom?
Sometimes they do.
Alright, snow jacket,
Stop.
headband. Good? Boots. Everything. You put your boots on. Oh shoot, they're on the wrong way, Chiquita.
What?
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready? Where is your backpack? You're not ready. Go get your backpack. Okay, please and thank you. You had your shoes on. This boy loves wearing shoes. He had these on and he took them off to wear those. But it is too cold for those. Not good. I know, this makes you so sad. Okay, where's your jacket? Go get your jacket. Please don't drop it. So we did something very sad for Casey yesterday. It's so sad. We cut his binky. So he was very sad and he was very mad. He's such a angry kid. I don't even know what to do about that. But anyway, so we let him have this, of course, last night, and he was so mad he just threw it across the room. But I just know that he's ready to be without it, only because at night whenever I do have to come and check on him, he wouldn't even be using it. So he would only use it to fall asleep. And so anyway, so he has to learn to fall asleep without this. Too bad I can't do the same thing to Aria with her thumb, but she still sucks her thumb. But I mean, he has the option to still hold on to that when he takes his nap and goes to bed. But he didn't want to last night. He was very mad. He's happy right now. You're so silly. How are you so happy right now, huh? You silly boy. Peekaboo. 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 So I put on these new pants on him. Let me zoom out as I'm walking towards him. Oh. Some new pants that he has not worn before. And they're ripped. Let me show them your pants. They're new, but they're ripped. Like, what was up with that? That's not fun, huh?
Mommy, some more Cleo and Cookie.
Some more Cleo and Cookie. They've been watching Cleo and Cookie, huh? You want a drink too? Did you take off your earrings?
Yeah, because
they
fell off.
They fell off? Well, just put it back on, okay? Here, let me help you. You got it? Let me help you. This is really hard with one hand. All right, there you go. All right. Little guy has been cleaning all morning. It's wet? Oh, were you cleaning off the water? Water. Thank you. He was doing this for like the past 5 minutes. I was like, okay, I need to get the camera out and film it. You're so sweet.
No!
Because look, he did write all over it, Chico. Oh, there's crayon everywhere.
Campbell. Somebody have a camera? Do you have it?
I have one.
Oh, then you need to raise your hand up higher so you can want to say something. So you can say something beautiful what's outside.
Oh, Casey. You sisters are so nice to share with him.
Okay, but I'm gonna get mine for everybody.
Are you riding your unicorn? Oh, piggy unicorn. Casey, are you going to sing? La 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 la. No?
I'm gonna jump on under it.
Is Vera coming up? Where's Vera? Do you see her? There she is.
I didn't find another thing that looks
Come here.
like this.
Vera, come here. You're looking for the other baton?
Yeah.
You guys broke it, so I threw it away. It was leaking water everywhere, so I had to throw it away, okay?
Okay,
I'm
then
sorry.
I will just pretend that this is a little microphone for me to
That's
sing
fine.
along of my dance song.
Okay.
Anybody? This is a cat. A cat is like that, but cats have whiskers and woof, woof, woof. That's a Y sound.
No, it's a W. Whiskers. W.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Okay.
I want to watch the band.
Now it's mommy's turn to watch, okay?
Yeah, let's
It's my turn.